Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucia. I'm a native Chinese speaker living in New Zealand now. I created this channel to introduce Chinese vocabulary to those who are learning Chinese or are interested in Chinese culture. In each of my videos, I will introduce one Chinese character, explaining its meanings, usages, giving example phrases and sentences, and definitely its subtle meaning in Chinese culture. So if you're interested in this topic, please go on watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. Okay, let's get started.
Hello everyone, Lucia here. Welcome back to my class. Today we continue to talk about the Chinese vocabulary 病毒, which means virus. And we have talked about the first part of this phrase, 病, in my last video. If you haven't watched that, I'll put a link here. Please check that first. And today we're going to talk about the second part of this phrase, 毒. Okay, let's see the pronunciation first. Read after me, please. 的无毒的无毒的无毒 Okay, its original meaning is poison. Let's see the origin. So this word comes from a grass. So does it look like a grass? So the meaning is the poisonous grass. Okay, and the extended meaning is everything that is poisonous. So that's the origin of this word. Okay, let's look at the meanings of this word. So basically there are three meanings of this word. The first one is something harmful or something poisonous. And the second one is poison. So you can use this word both as noun and verb. And the last one is fierce. That's an adjective, right? That's the three basic meanings of this word. Let's look at them one by one. So the first one, something harmful. So that's the word we have just talked about. It's the topic of today. It's called 病毒. 病毒. That means virus. Okay, let's read together. 病毒. 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 Okay, let's make a sentence using this phrase. So as we all know, the COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. And it's definitely a new virus that no one has met it before. So we can say COVID-19 is a new virus. We say 新冠病毒是一种新型病毒. Okay, 新冠病毒 is the Chinese name of COVID-19. And 是一种 is a kind of 新型 new type. 病毒 virus. So COVID-19 is a kind of new type virus. Okay? Let's read the Chinese sentence first. 新冠病毒是一种新型病毒. Okay, again, you can read after me. 新冠病毒是一种新型病毒. 新冠病毒是一种新型病毒. Okay, that means COVID-19 is a new virus. Cool. So that's the first meaning of 毒, which means something that is harmful or poisonous. Cool. Let's move to the second meaning. It's a poison, right? We can use it as a noun and we can use it as a verb. So we learned the verb form today. It's called 毒害. 毒害. Let's read together. 毒害. 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 Okay, that's the verb form of poison. So we can make a sentence using this phrase. As COVID-19 is spreading, we're receiving a lot of news every day from medias, from your neighbors, from all other kind of resources. And some of them are true, but some of them are just fake news. especially some news from some presidents of some countries, right? You know that. So we can say the fake news is poisoning people's thoughts. So that makes people confused which one is right, which one is wrong. Okay, so we say fake news, 虚假新闻. So fake, 虚假新闻 news, fake news. 正在 is a continuous tense. 毒害 is a word we learned today as poison as a verb. 毒害人们的 people's 思想 thought. Okay, people's thoughts. So the whole sentence means fake news is poisoning people's thoughts. Okay, let's read the Chinese word together. 虚假新闻正在毒害人们的思想。Okay, again. 虚假新闻正在毒害人们的思想。虚假新闻正在毒害人们的思想。Okay, that's the second meaning of 毒. That means poison. Okay, let's move to the third one. Fierce. It's an adjective, right? So we have a phrase called 狠毒. 狠毒. Okay, let's read together. 狠毒. 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 Okay, that means vicious. Just pay attention, this word is a very, very heavy word. It only used to describe a very severe event like a murder, or you can describe a very dangerous person like a murderer. So basically it's a very, very heavy word. So we can say the killing means of a criminal is very vicious, right? In Chinese we say 罪犯的杀人手法极其狠毒. Okay, 罪犯 here. 罪犯 means criminal. And 罪犯的杀人 killing. Okay, killing people. 手法 means killing means 极其 very 狠毒 vicious. Okay, so the criminals killing means is very vicious. Okay, in Chinese we say 罪犯的杀人手法极其狠毒。罪犯的杀人手法极其狠毒。Okay, that's 狠毒 vicious. Cool. So let's review the three meaning of 毒. So the first one is something harmful, and the second one is the poison, both as a noun and a verb, and the last one is fierce. So we have learned the three phrases according to the three meanings. The first one is 病毒, 病毒, 病毒. That means virus, right? And the second one is 毒害, 毒害, 毒害. That means poison, right? But that's a word form. And the last one is 狠毒, 狠毒, 狠毒. So fierce, vicious. Cool. So that's all for today. That's all the meanings of 毒. Okay? So as usual, I have a question for you. So how do you say fake news of COVID-19 is poisoning people's thoughts? Do you know how to say that? You can find the clue in the previous sentences and phrases we have learned. Okay. And the quiz from last video about being. You still remember that? My question is, do you know other ways to answer are you well? Are you feeling better? Yeah, we have learned one in the last video. And you can also say 我好了,我好了,我好了. So that means I'm okay, right? Did you make it right?
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks very much for watching and congratulations on your improvement in Chinese learning. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave your message below. And again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.